the Sauber has the hot blown exhaust. They don't use that throttle on in the slow corner. I feel very sorry for Nick Heidfeld there, but because all he was trying to do was use the grip of his car. And we're on lap 59. Vettel leads from Schumacher, Webber third, passing fourth, Kobayashi fifth, Petrov sixth, Barrichello now seventh. We've got a Marshall. That's not pretty, is it?